SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love 2004 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, power brakes, Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, center console, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.